Get ready for a brand new Homeworthy experience where the magic of entertaining begins long before the guests arrive.
Hi Homeworthy, I'm Paul Wharton, and this is Day of the Dinner, a show that celebrates the art of bringing people together, using what you have, and taking everyday moments and making them something truly special.
In Day of the Dinner, Emmy-nominated TV personality and lifestyle expert Paul Wharton visits the homes of his friends to see how they create unforgettable dinner parties, sharing his favorite entertaining tips and tricks along the way.
You know what I do when I'm having a dinner party? I make one dish that I know I can knock out of the park, and then I make one that I'm excited about, that I want. Yeah, that's a bit of a stretch, but I know I can rely on Old Faithful.
With his signature humor, charm, and effortless style, Paul steps in to lend a hand and celebrate the small moments that make every gathering special.
And I like to put people to work as soon as they arrive, so you want to go to the garden and harvest some herbs?
I love to go to the garden with you.
Great.
I don't know how much work I'm going to do, but I'll definitely go to the garden with you. Let's go. Okay. Let's go.
And when the candles are lit, the music is on, and the doorbell finally rings, the payoff is pure magic. A dinner party that reflects the heart of the host, the soul of the home, and the joy of gathering with good people.
Sarah, your home is more than walls and windows. It's truly a reflection of your spirit. And I want to thank you for welcoming all of us in every time you do with such gracious open arms.
Be sure to tune in next weekend for the premiere of Day of the Dinner. To get early access and watch the full episode ad-free, scan the QR code or click the join button below. You're watching Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story.